Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to put a space in your display name on Roblox. Okay, so let's jump into it. So to start off, we're going to come to roblox.com and I'm just going to create account. So I'm going to fill in all this information and then I'm just going to hit the white button at the bottom that says sign up. So once we are in to Roblox, what you want to do is come up to the top right hand side and you want to press on this button that looks like a cog and it's actually our settings button. And then click on settings and it is now going to bring us to our settings. So if you just make sure that you are on account info, and as you can see at the top here it says our display name. So if we come to the right and we press on this button that almost looks like a pen and paper, and then if we go to try and put a space in our display name, it says that our display name contains unsupported characters. So we're just going to click out of this and we're going to scroll down to where it says account location. We're going to click on this and we're going to change our location to the United States. So if you click on that and then press set location, we are then, as you can see, it says that that has been saved successfully, which is amazing. We are then going to scroll up and we are going to press on that pen and paper again opposite our display name, and we are now going to click on our name and put in a space. And as you can see, no red text comes up. We are able to press save and our display name has now changed. So if you wait for it to load, that's amazing, that has saved successfully, and you can see there we have got that space in our name. So if you come back onto home and you can see that your name is at the top right, if you click on that and then once it's loaded you'll be able to see your name properly and you'll be able to see that you have got that space there. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could hit the like button and the subscribe button, that would be amazing. And any comments you have, drop them in the comment section below. Thanks, bye.